Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you what Klarna is and how you can get a refund. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have the refund info page open and I will be using this to explain to you guys since Klarna is not available in my region. However, that can simply be bypassed by a VPN, which I cannot use since it makes problems with my recording software. But anyway, without further ado, Klarna is I think, Swedish-made sort of a fintech application where you can use it to pay either in advance or not in advance, but to hold off your payment for certain clothing items and so on and so forth, pretty much enabling you to make a payment and then pay once every week or whatever the method of payment you choose is. And you can mainly use it to buy clothes through online marketplaces or storefronts from other developers from other companies. But yeah, anyway, what I'm going to be telling you guys in this tutorial is how you can make a refund. And as you can see now here on the screen, the process is very simple. All you have to do is just go into orders in the merchant portal. Then you open the order you want to refund, check if you captured it. Select the items you wish to refund and then just click the refund button. I think you might need to give the items back manually, or you might not even need to give them back. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in another video.